How to remove accounts on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store of your Android. When the app will be installed, you have to click on it and open it on your desktop. We are going to remove a account or delete account from Facebook Messenger. You can see at the desktop of Facebook Messenger different options like chats here, calls here, people, and the stories. Now I am going to remove an account. Click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Okay, when you have to click on it, you have to click on the profile here, and you can see two accounts. If you want to delete any of your previous account, before deleting, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You have to just hold on the account and you can see this red mark will appear. Click on it and click on remove. In this way your old or previous account will be removed from your Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.